Today we are making a chicken cornbread dressing. We're gonna start with the cornbread. For the first time ever, I'm actually making the cornbread the day before. If I really wanted to stunt, I would have made the cornbread a week in advance, just so that we can have this dry ass cornbread. So we have 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of flour, 2/3 cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 egg, and 1 cup of milk. Let's start combining these together. And then 1/3 cup of butter. We preheated the oven to 400 degrees. We'll transfer this to a pan. Into the oven it goes. Set a 25-minute timer. This is what my cornbread looks like. Since we're trying to mimic a dried up cornbread, we're gonna leave this in for another 15 minutes. So we're gonna start with cutting up celery sticks. We're gonna do 5. Now we'll slice 1 whole onion. Next we'll be slicing 5 garlic cloves. Lastly, we are gonna cut up some sage, but look how beautiful this looks. Look at the texture. I learned this when I used to work at a restaurant. So we're gonna stack all the leaves on top of each other like so, and then we're gonna fold them. Here, we're gonna fold them like so. We're gonna flip them, and now we can slice them. Refreshing scent. Okay, so we have 5 sage leaves, or 2.5 teaspoons of sage, whatever you have. We're gonna saute our veggies. I like to start with the celery. This is my guess. Since celery retains so much water, it takes longer to, soften up a bit. That's my guess. Who knows? I'm just a home cook. So we'll be constantly stirring. My burner is on medium-low. After about 5 minutes, the celery has, softened up a bit, become a little bit translucent. We're gonna go in and add our sliced onions. Once the celery and the onions have become besties, we're gonna add our garlic. Our 5 sliced garlic. After 5 more minutes, celery is soft, the onions are translucent, the garlics have softened a bit also. Lastly, we'll add our sage. And that's it. We won't cook this for any longer. Okay. As you see here, we have our cornbread that we made yesterday. It looks dry as fuck, because that's the look that we were going for. As you can see, I kind of nibbled on it just because I wanted to give it wanted to taste it. Okay, so we're gonna add our cornbread into a bowl. We're gonna crumble it. Cornbread crumbled. Next, we have a packet of Ritz crackers. We're gonna crumble the crackers as well. Incorporate these 2 things together, like so. Period. Next, we'll be adding our shredded chicken. Now we'll go in with our sauteed veggies. This smells dank. This smells good. Now we'll add 1 can of cream chicken. Next, we'll be adding 3 whisked eggs. I don't have bone broth. The bone broth that I use to boil this chicken, I accidentally threw away. Add 5 cups of water. Of course, bone broth would have been best, but no worries, we can still make this taste good. Okay, so that's 4 cups of water. That seems like a lot. I said 5 cups of water. Shit, I could have gotten away with 3, but oh well. This is still gonna bake. We are gonna season with seasoned salt, 2 teaspoons. Yeah, I'm gonna measure for you because I believe 2 teaspoons is not enough. 2 teaspoons, and then 1 teaspoon of black pepper. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. So she's ready to go into the oven. 350. I like my edges to be a little burnt, a little crust, you know, a little golden brown moment. 45 minutes or until golden brown, or until the edges are golden brown. Voila. It's been 45 minutes. That's what she looks like. She looks nowhere near done. We'll check on it in 30 minutes. See what it looks like. All right, so here we have. Oh my God, it smells so good. Here we have the chicken cornbread dressing. She looks too good. And then we will also be having cornbread. I mean, no, this is what is this called? Chicken dressing.
It's dressing.
Chicken dressing.
Chicken dressing.
All right, and a little slice of chicken and dressing. 3-course meal, period. Soak it all in, people. This is all good shit. We're gonna try the cornbread. I mean the chicken and dressing is done. This one sparked my appetite. That's delicious. Oh my God, this is like a 10 out of 10. We did good, Aloe. We did good, Aloe. Okay. If you like this recipe, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, toodaloo.